Morning student, hope all of you well. Today we are going to discuss decline of Indus Valley civilization. Look, in your previous video we had discussed about Indus Valley civilization. Now we are going to discuss decline of Indus Valley civilization. Okay. We all know Indus Valley civilization is the earliest civilization in Indian subcontinent, and Indus Valley civilization has various type of features and very important history of Indian subcontinent. But we all know the time of duration of this civilization is 2500 to 1500 BC. Okay. Now there is a question arises: how this beautiful and developed civilized decline? Many historian and scholar of history give various type of reason behind the decline of Indus Valley civilization. Now we are just discuss some of reason behind the decline of the Indus Valley civilization. First of all, point number one. One reason put forward is that epidemic and natural calamities such as flood and earthquake. That means flood and earthquake. We all know nowadays in those days, Indian north part and northwestern part is very important, and there we observe various type earthquake happen. Okay, so historian give a reason behind the decline of flood and earthquake. Flood in the Indus River, destroyed the important cities like Mohenjo-daro, and earthquake destroyed another centers like Harappa and another important center of this civilization. Now, point number two. The second reason is environmental change caused due to the deforestation or large-scale cutting down trees. That means deforestation. Deforestation is very important point to decline of this civilization. Okay, due to deforestation or large-scale cutting of trees, this could be happened because wood was required for baking bricks and smelting metal, also by the metals. So, disappearing of forest created climate change, and grazing by large herds of cattle, sheep, and goat would have led to the decrease in forest cover. As a result, the land could have dried up and lost its fertility. Okay, that means deforestation caused dried soil and lost the fertility of the land, and this is a second important reason to decline of Indus Valley civilization. Point number three. Another reason put forward that rivers could have dried up, or Indus River could have changed its course, leaving the cities without a source of water. This must have forced the people to move. That means Indus River, we all know Indus changed her way. That means we all know Indus River is the main lifeline of Indus Valley civilization. But some historian and some geologists thinking that Indus River changed its way, and this affected Indus Valley civilization. That's why Indus Valley civilization hammered hugely and destroyed, and we all know water is main things in people's life. So due to lack of water, Indus Valley civilization, I mean to say that the various centers of Indus Valley civilization destroyed. Now, point number four, very important point. Point number four, yet another theory mentioned is invention of foreigners. Okay, that means invention of foreigners. Okay, maybe Aryans at Harappan and Mohenjo-daro features we find various types of skull have been founded which indicated as possible massacre. This is very important point and very important issue. Okay. Although we know Aryans came from, this is another point, Aryans came from Europe, or some people say Eurasia, to India. So in in Greek Ved, we find a word. This word called Harapio, and this is called Harapio war. Okay, and this Harapio war related with Aryans. So some people say in Mohenjo-daro and Harappa we find huge number of skeleton. These are not Greek. Okay, so people say this happened by war. That means foreigner invented this Harappa Mohenjo-daro cities and they killed all the people. That's why this various center of this civilization declined. Okay, this is another important issue of decline of Indus Valley civilization. Now we sum up this topic. If sum up this topic, then the question is how decline of Indus Valley civilization happened. Then this is still now mysterious and unsolved question. But historians and scholars give some points like flood and earthquake, deforestation, Indus changed his way, and lastly invention of foreigners. These are some important points behind the decline of Indus Valley civilization. Thank you.